Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to zoom out of your Mozilla Firefox web page if you notice you're too zoomed in and it's kind of hard to go about the web page. You might be dragging around the bottom bar a little bit to go see the full text. So I'm going to show you guys how to zoom out basically. And we're going to jump into it and start by clicking on the menu icon near the top right corner of the browser screen. So go ahead and left click on that. Should be a zoom button, so go ahead and click on the minus sign to zoom out. And there you go guys, 100% should be the default value. Anything less, you're actually viewing it from a further away distance. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.